Hello everyone, welcome to Ngalam Podcast. Today we will share the story about some people who getting lost while hiking. I'm Daniel Aziz Ramadan
And
as a host.
I am Hanif as a co-host. So today have a special episode for you guys. It's about something that very, very thrilling for us. It's about one of the most terrifying experience that a hiker can be have someday.
That's right. This story about the proof uh, for some people who getting lost isn't just about survival, it's about resilience, quick thinking, and sometimes a little bit of luck.
Exactly. And to help us unpack this story, we have invited three amazing guests today. So let's introduce them.
So we got our first guest is Tava.
Hello everyone, my name is Dava Maulana. You can call me Dava. I'm a beginner hiker.
Okay, the second guest is Agam.
Yo, what's up guys? I am Agam Muhammad Al Fajar. I am professional hiker.
Okay.
I finished mountain in another mountain in Indonesia.
And our third guest is Mr. Didi.
I'm Mamsudi. I'm the head of the search and rescue operation.
So hello everyone.
Yeah.
We will give you some question regarding to your experience while getting lost while hiking and how to rescue the people who getting lost while hiking. So the first question, can you tell us about the moment that you realized that you were lost?
The moment what we lost.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, the first time is the moment why we lost. I don't know what the times is it,
Okay.
but I think in the middle of the night. Yeah.
Okay.
Because we realized that the what, the track is
Yeah.
gone. Not at the track again. Not
Oh.
at track hiking.
Yeah.
So you guys cannot find the track.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that how we become lost.
Oh.
Okay.
So and for the
The
next,
second question.
what do you think, coach? What do you think that caused you to lose your track? What is a mistake on the trail, or poor visibility, or something else
Yeah.
that you out of track?
Uh, in the first in the do you know what in the track is many grass. Grass
Okay.
is high
Oh,
grass.
yeah.
This is it's not normal in track, right?
Okay.
Yeah, and I have I think we
Getting
Get lost.
We get lost. Yeah, we lost. So we have I and prepare don't panic
Okay.
Yeah.
and
Oh, yeah.
prepare why we lost. I don't know what we lost before we go to the track. I think it's normal, but actually the track is not not
Not at the track anymore.
yeah.
Yeah.
And did you have a plan while you in this situation?
Mm. I think is
We must survive.
yeah.
But we survive like 3 days or
Three or two
Yeah.
3 or 2 days.
yeah. We don't know because we had
Hmm.
no chance food.
Yeah.
And yeah.
For the first time you getting lost, what the first thing you guys do after know that you are getting lost?
I am is little panic, little, but
Yeah.
Panic. Okay. So after that, what did you guys do?
We search we search some track,
Oh,
yeah,
but we cannot find it.
we cannot find the track in the mountain.
Oh.
And what your emergency tools when you getting lost to help you from survive in the middle of mountain?
We have a lot of tools, right?
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah, like knife or cooking set,
Cooking set.
like
yeah.
just like that. Yeah. What?
We have prepared in the camp,
Oh, the
and we got uh
Match.
like fire, mini fire.
Okay.
Oh,
It's,
so you create a campfire
Yeah,
to
campfire.
warm your body.
yeah,
Yeah.
to warm my body.
Because in the night it's so cold in that.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So for the rescue team, right? How can you find any clue that led you to find lost people in the mountain?
Well, usually when people move in a forested area, they usually cause damage to the surrounding plant.
Oh yeah.
Broken branch, destroyed grass, things like that.
Okay.
And then what was the condition when you find
The campfire.
lost people? The condition there of the healthy
That.
health body.
Well, they're mostly other than the fact that they're a bit cold.
And next for maybe for Agam and Dava again.
Yeah. Did you find something unexpected? Chance how you survive in the wilderness?
Oh yes, in the
Something like wild animals or
oh yeah.
something.
Oh yeah, in the Daiwon, we don't panic and prepare about camp, fire, and meat
Hmm.
to food to eat. Yeah.
Did you guys find like a wild animal like tiger or
Oh,
yeah?
I think
I think no.
No?
But the horror situation.
Oh, the horror situation.
situation.
Oh, it's
yeah.
Can you tell us the story about the
Uh,
horror situation?
In the horror situation we found in the Daiwon in the middle night.
The middle night. Okay.
Yeah, we found food, big food from in the
footprint in
Oh,
yeah,
footprint,
in the
around your
yeah
camp
in the round the camp. But actually, it's not normal food.
Okay.
because
It's so big.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's
It's
bigger
not like
than usual
human feet.
footprints.
Yeah, it's
I think so.
not human food. I think.
Okay. And
So
then
scary.
Yeah.
Oh,
after you seeing that, what did you guys do after you
my-
see the food?
Go in the camp
Okay,
Yeah.
go back to the camp.
because
No.
it's so scary.
And the situation in Taiwan, it's rainy, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Raining.
And rainy.
did you hear some strange sound from around your camp? Strange sound or
And
Like screaming,
Oh,
maybe.
oh yes, I think it scream. I don't know, but sound is from. But the sound is I think is from another animal.
Oh, I knew.
It's not animal, maybe.
Okay.
A ghost, maybe.
Okay.
But
Ghost.
I don't know where is the sound.
Maybe the
Yeah.
the sound is strange, maybe.
Yeah.
But I think, in my opinion, this is a sound from animal, but I don't know what the voice thing.
So, and have you ever seen a ghost
While hiking.
while hiking?
Maybe we don't realize, but
Okay.
we
We have
we
we have
We feel
You feel?
we feel
that we
feel
not
that like we
we will not alone in
not alone. Yeah.
followed by
Okay.
something.
Something.
Oh, okay.
We are not alone in this situation.
Yeah,
Oh.
but the two of us,
Yeah.
I don't know. It's like feel more people.
Okay.
Just two of us.
Yeah.
So you feels like there are some things that follow you
Yeah.
in while hiking.
Yeah. In the last.
Okay.
So what you do when you encounter the situation like that?
Yeah. We pray to God.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, we pray for God.
Oh,
So God will
will help us.
Yeah. So God help us to survive the situation.
Maybe for Agam, you have been hiking for 4 years. 4 years, right?
Yeah.
4 years. Have you ever
meet a ghost
meet a
or
ghost
something
before
abnormal.
while hiking?
I think
Dava never, because it is just your first time, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Maybe Agam, you have.
Okay, I will found I found ghosts
Okay.
in actually in Rinjani Mountain.
Okay.
Do you know Rinjani Mountain?
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
yeah,
we know, we
yes.
Many people talk to Rinjani Mountain to it's
It's horror, right?
scary mountain,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. I finished Rinjani Mountain, but I think I have experience.
Okay.
It's very very scary, in my opinion,
Okay.
because in the situation is not normal.
Okay.
In the jungle.
Yeah,
In
in
the
the jungle
jungle,
it's not normal, right? We have many cloth in mountain.
Okay.
It's very very dark.
Okay.
Any strange sounds in
Yeah.
the jungle?
Yeah,
Sounds like screaming,
Yeah.
maybe.
it's sound from um cows.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know, but the mountain is many cows in the mountain, right?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And do you have any encounter with wild animals such
Oh.
as did you have encounter the bear or
Oh, yeah, yeah.
How to encounter them
Oh,
and how your solution when
yeah, yeah.
when you meet a beast,
wild animal?
wild animal.
But in IM is I counter the situation for this. I
Maybe we go up
Ah.
in the tree.
Okay.
and we um make fire
Fire.
because the animal is scary from fire.
Okay.
Okay. So and the next question is for
Rescue
rescue
team.
team. How you and your team prepare mentally and physical for intense search operation?
Well, mentally, each people has their own thing, but physical, we usually do training every day,
Okay.
and every week we usually go to mountain to train as well for the team.
What do you think the hikers should always carry with them to improve their safety and survivability?
Food, flashlight,
Oh.
spare batteries, obviously, and if possible, radio.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's a must.
Because we need communication in the mountain. No signal.
Have you ever had a particularly memorable or surprising rescue mission? Can you share the story? The something's unforgettable while you rescuing.
There was this one time back in 2015.
Okay.
The person that we were supposed to rescue didn't want to be rescued.
Okay.
Interesting.
He then went missing. He just don't want to live in the city anymore. He want to live in the mountain.
Very strange people. Okay. So the next is from the our hiker.
Our
Did you feel safer in while hiking in a group or while hiking in alone?
in the solo
In solo,
Yeah, in solo.
hiking.
solo hiking.
Which is safer?
Yeah,
Yeah.
from Dava.
Maybe 2 or more people.
Oh.
Like that. Because it's, if you are solo hiker, you cannot need some help
Yeah,
from your friend
it's correct.
or something because you must need help
Yeah, from other people.
strangers. Yes.
So, how about Agam? What is your opinion?
Yeah, in my opinion is same, but actually we will be safe in the
In
groups. Yeah,
Okay. But you often do solo hiking, right?
Yeah.
yeah,
If you doing solo hiking, it's if you solo hiking, right?
Yeah.
And you meet the situation, the scary situation. How do you do with if you meet scary situation if you
In
solo
solo
hiking?
hiking.
In the situation this is I will don't panic and I prepare to myself in the situation and in the first I will prepare the camp
Okay.
and we on the fire
Okay.
in the front of my camp and we prepare to launch, yeah,
Okay.
because launch is very important
Important.
in hiking because we need to energy to,
Yeah.
yeah,
Especially when you are alone,
Yeah.
you need food.
So when you getting lost, what is the most challenging situation that you have while getting lost?
it's very challenging is
Found the track
Yeah.
again.
To
Found
find
To
the
find again
yeah,
the track because it's so hard to find if we are lost in the jungle and many clothes maybe in the jungle
yeah.
so we cannot see
we cannot see
the track or
the track.
something else. Yeah.
and the grass is very high.
the grass high. Okay.
Yeah. So that we cannot see
Yeah.
the track. And
So when you guys finally find the track, when
I
you finally find
I found the trekking because I found the rivers. Yeah,
the
the
river?
rivers is uh too too too
To go down?
high too low.
Yeah.
Do you know?
Yeah. Understand. From top to
From
Yeah.
high ground to low ground.
lower
Yeah,
ground.
I found the river, right?
Okay.
And the rivers is
Leading to the
leading to the
track.
track.
Again.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you do if you ran out of food
Yeah.
when you getting lost?
Hmm.
if we go to a river and maybe
Yeah.
we search some fish.
Yeah.
So we burn it and we
How about the water for your drink?
Yeah.
water. Maybe
We
in the jungle.
in the jungle.
Jungle in the mountain or something else. There is
Many water.
many water like
And from the river,
from
Okay.
tree.
from the river.
Oh, you can find water in the tree.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
actually.
tree have
Photosynthesis from
Okay. I just know that.
yeah.
So, if you only find the water from the rivers, you know what? You know, like the water from the river is not healthy, right,
Yeah.
for our body. So, what you do? What you do if you want to drink the water from the
Yeah.
river?
Okay, we can cook the water, right? Yeah,
Also, you cook the
and
water.
we
is
Oh, yeah.
because we
is that
cook it.
lah.
Okay.
And
We boil the water and
Maybe for team rescue again question.
what the motivate you to to continue this operation work, and what's the most rewarding part of being rescue team?
Well, I just want to help people really.
Oh,
So you like help the other people, right?
Yeah.
And what common mistakes do hikers make that make it harder for rescue team to look at them, to find them? The most hard, the most mistake.
The most common mistake.
Yeah.
yes.
Well, usually the one that got lost usually didn't usually prepare to actually hike human, so they actually didn't bring anything with them. Like they didn't bring flashlight, they didn't bring food, they didn't bring anything, just with their clothes, watch, and their phone, and then they decided to go hike in the mountain. Like, why are they doing that?
So, what's kind of tool or technology that your team use to locate missing hikers, to find the missing hikers?
I think the most useful is drone with a thermal camera right now.
And how about do you encounter the environmental factors such as weather or a terrain impact your search efforts? It's like weather or some things that very crowded tree that drone cannot see, or
Well, if the weather is bad, like if it's raining, usually then send any air unit to help the search and rescue operation. So we usually only send land unit to do that. But if it's just there's a lot of tree, we can usually just send a helicopter with a infrared or a thermal camera. But and yeah,
and what's the biggest challenge that you face when searching the lost hikers?
do you mean specific hiker or general?
General, your biggest challenge, a very difficult challenge when you find lost hikers.
Is always the environment, because since they usually get lost in the mountain, and you know how wet the mountain is usually.
Yeah. Can you describe the typical process of you follow when someone report missing hikers?
The typical process. Well, first we verify if it's true or not, if the person is true or not. Second, we prepare the unit.
So
Then we went to the area near where they are reported missing.
so the first your team doing is identity verification of people missing.
Yeah, because people like doing prank calls this day.
Yeah.
Now I curious about Dava. This is your first time, right?
Yeah,
Hiking.
kind of making that hiker.
So yeah. After you have this hiking things, and you have been lost for what day? 2 days, 3 days. Yeah.
2 days.
2 days.
Until 3 days.
Is it make you don't want to hike again? after this?
Actually, I want to go hiking again because it's challenging.
Yeah.
The experience like wow.
Okay.
I know this feeling.
And yeah, you know this feeling.
Yeah.
Right?
I know that too.
That's fun to
Okay.
Again.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if someone else found themselves in a similar situation, what you doing if you found other people like that?
So guys, don't panic.
Yeah, don't
Okay.
panic.
For
Right?
the first is don't panic.
Don't panic, fam.
Yes.
So that because this often do by people is always
Yeah,
panic,
also
panic,
always
panic.
panic first.
First,
Because
always
panic is
Panic is make you
the
situation is
yeah
Yeah.
making
mistake. Yeah,
agree.
mistake.
Agree.
Yeah, that mistake.
Okay.
Mm.
So
Okay.
you must
Don't panic.
Don't panic.
the tools. You must
Prepare the tools.
prepare the tools a lot, so you can. If you lost, you can survive.
That's a tips from
from you,
Dava and Agam,
Professional, yeah, as a professional hiker.
professional hiker.
Yeah.
In the first in my tips, yeah.
Okay.
In my tips is in the first, don't panic. In the third, in the seconds, prepare ourselves, and the three, you can enjoy. Yeah. In the three counter
Three
from
tips
from yeah.
professional hiker.
Yeah.
Professional hiker. Okay. Is there any question from you, Daniel?
I think it's
It's
enough. Yeah.
So this is very interesting
This,
for us
yeah.
because
Yeah.
we've never been to hiking before.
Yeah.
You must try.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In my opinion, I feel like I want to hike
Yeah.
Yeah.
after hearing your story,
After
both of
hearing
you.
your story and
Yeah.
or
How about
rescue
you,
story.
Daniel? What is your feeling after hearing the
Hiking,
story?
it sounds interesting
Yeah,
after
Yeah.
hearing your story. Maybe I will try it.
Yeah. Try.
Yeah,
We should try. Okay.
Okay.
we should try.
You can try hiking with me. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
You can
yeah.
calling me.
It's fine. Okay.
It's fine.
Of course.
Call me.
Okay,
Okay.
I will
I
follow
think-
you to the good mountain, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you as a professional hiker.
The professional hiker.
So
Thank you, right?
I think it's enough
For today's
for today podcast.
podcast.
So thank you for the guests who
Thank you,
attend
guys.
Okay.
in this podcast
You are welcome.
and share your story.
So
And
interesting. Yeah. I think that's all ya. We
Yeah,
close the
it's
podcast. Thank you, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See
See
you.
you.
see you the next podcast.
See you. Bye.